The software has its own built-in tracking system, which will analyze absolutely every single statistic you need to know. We will get to that in a minute, but let me just tell you that you can drive your traffic to the webinar registration page by using a custom link with some tracking variables attached to it so that the tracking script can grab and analyze all the data. Now, this is a sample of the type of link to use to drive your traffic to the webinar registration page. Do you see this Tracking ID 1 and Tracking ID 2 variables? You can change that, for example, as follows. Let's say you're driving traffic to the webinar registration page by placing banners on your blog. Okay? So, for Tracking ID 1, we could put banners. And then for Tracking ID 2, we can put header if we're placing a banner on the header of our blog, or sidebar if we're placing a banner on the sidebar, etc. You can obviously create as many links as you wish by modifying these parameters. Here's another example. Let's imagine you're driving traffic using pay-per-click campaigns. So, Tracking ID 1 could be, for example, AdWords, and the Tracking ID 2 could be Keyword 1, Keyword 2, etc. You get the idea. And then at the Analytics tab of the dashboard, you will see all the stats branched by webinar, and then by Tracking ID 1, and then by Tracking ID 2. That way, you can see where your traffic is coming from and what's generating registrations, webinar views, sales, earnings per click, and all that lovely stuff.